Now, how does the hustler mentality or survival mentality impact your business? The positive impact of the hustler mentality or the survival mentality is that it's very efficient. The one-shot, one-kill customer acquisition method forces you to know your target market, focuses your resources to acquire those particular customers, and it allows you to adapt very quickly to your changing market without complaining, but to take action when things are not happening. It creates what's called a lean business operation. In most businesses, especially in the early stages, wasting resources weakens your competitiveness, and too much waste can take you out of business. The other side of the negative hustler mentality, if done to the extreme, it can give the customer the impression that you're more concerned about their wallet as opposed to solving their problem. The do whatever it takes mentality can have a great impact on your business in terms of how you take care of your customer. If not done correctly though, such as constantly changing prices and using old outdated sales techniques can literally destroy your customer base. Let's say, for example, if you just bought something for $100 and only to find out the customer right after you bought it for $25, how would that make you feel? So remember, the pricing game doesn't actually create loyal customers. What it does is just trains your customers to wait for the sale. And finally, the chameleon-like adaptability of the hustler allows them to create rapport quickly with the customer, to be able to be liked very easily, instantly change products or services or entire industries, giving them the ability to survive another day. If done too often or incorrectly, it can give the customer the impression of instability, and can they trust that you'll be there tomorrow? And remember, in any stage of business, especially the early stages of business, it's very critical and crucial that the customer believe that you're going to be there tomorrow, especially if they do any type of referring to your business. As I mentioned earlier, the hustler operates out of the survival mentality, a basic need, the need to survive. And as such, all basic needs are centered around self, and therefore are not sustainable in the long run in terms of serving customers or helping customers. I believe that every business is in the service industry, regardless of their product or service. And if you only operate your business strictly from the standpoint of profit alone, eventually you will destroy your customer base and you will find yourself out of business and alone. In the next lesson, we'll discuss the mentality of the business owner and its impact on the success or failure of a business.